Welcome to Carpet Tiles 1. My name is Vince Perry. I'm the owner of Carpet Tiles 1. The purpose of this video is to give you a virtual tour of a certain carpet tile called the 1 meter by 1 meter super tufted needle punched carpet tile. 1 meter by 1 meter super tufted carpet tile. The weight of this item is just on 5 kilos. It is rubber backed. It is very flexible, as you can see, and it sits like a glove. Watch this. One of the most durable carpet tiles on the planet is the needle punched. This is the charcoal version of the needle punch, predominantly used in the exhibition industry for that quick floor with that fleck in it, so dirt, dust, grime is not seen during the exhibitions. Now, as you can see with this needle punched, right, let me just explain briefly what needle punched is. In a nutshell, it's a fibre 3 steps away from a sponge scourer. Very, very strong, but in the meantime, very, very soft. Very, very strong. As I said, one of the strongest fibres on the planet. The way it's been developed with the fleck, you can see how it's difficult to actually see the joint. And as the cameraman hovers across, try and find the joint. And this is what I love about this design, is that it mimics a broadloom carpet. Durable as ever. 1 meter by 1 meter, so use it in your marquee, use it in your exhibition stand, use it in a showroom, use it in a furniture shop, use it in an office. High traffic offices, this sort of carpet will last you a lifetime. 1 meter by 1 meter, fully fire rated, fully compliant with the building code, and it looks so elegant on the floor that it's not funny. Very, very popular. Here at Carpet Tiles 1, we're open Monday to Saturday from 7 a.m. till 5 p.m. We're located at 3 to 9, that's 3-9 Cook Road, Marrickville, 029-519-8785. Happy to help you. Thank you.